Hi, Jason here, and today I'm with the girls and we're at McCullough Lake, which is 8.5 kilometers down Side Road 7 in Grey County, just down the road from where we live. And McCullough Lake is also just off of Highway 6 uh, near Williamsford. So McCullough Lake is a multi-use lake, so we have a variety of different things going on. We've got cottages and permanent homes along the lake, and so as can be expected, we've got motorboats and water skiers, and we've got some sailboats and just people I've got a guy on a jet ski about to start up. So it's one thing to keep in mind when coming out to McCullough Lake is you're not necessarily going to have a incredibly a peaceful paddle. You will be hearing other people and dealing with the waves from power boats. But at the same time, we just saw a little heron, so you're still able to gain access to the outdoors and the natural environment. And right now we're in the middle of summer, so it's quite busy with the cottagers. And you'll still find some days midweek where the lake's quite quiet and you're still the only person on the water. So it's definitely worth coming to check out. It's in Grey County, Ontario, just south of the Bruce Peninsula, about half an hour south of Owen Sound.
Clay, can you take a video of me?
Bye, swans.
Hi, Swannies.
Here we go.
Is it really cold? Oh man. Oh man, that scared me. When I was in the air, I'm like, no going back down.